Hello, teacher. My name is Lucero, and today I'm going to present the plot of my original movie called Critical Minutes. This movie is an emergency room drama because it shows the intense and emotional moments that happen inside a hospital when doctors are trying to save a patient's life. I choose this genre because I enjoy stories filled with suspense, fast decisions, and strong characters. Now, let me introduce the main character of my movie. Genre emergency room, drama, suspense, them. It shows the intense, fast-paced life inside a hospital. The story focuses on how doctors and nurses fought to save a patient with a serious health problem. Uh, the first main character is Dr. Ana Reyes. She is a chief of the emergency room. She is tall, with brown hair and expressive eyes. She is very calm, intelligent, and always stays focused in stressful situations. In my movie, she is played by a strong and serious actress who can show determination and empathy at the same time. Uh, the second character is Nurse Michael Torres. He has short dark hair, an athletic build, and a very friendly smile. His personality is supportive, quick thinking and passionate. He works closely with Doctor Reyes and always keeps the team organized during emergencies. The final character is Lucas Grant, a young man in his 20s. He looks pale, thin, and a little nervous. He is a kind person but becomes very scared when he starts feeling the symptoms of his health problem. Lucas is played by a young actor who can express fear, weakness, and little relief. The health problem in this movie is a severe anaphylactic shock. This is a dangerous allergic reaction that causes swelling, difficulty breathing, and a fast drop in blood pressure. It is a life-threatening emergency and requires immediate medical attention. This is why Lucas arrives at the emergency room in critical condition. Now, let's talk about the plot. The story begins earlier in the day. Lucas was celebrating his friend's birthday. He ate a dessert and he didn't know it contained peanuts. A few minutes later he started feeling sick. His throat began to swell, he couldn't breathe well and he felt dizzy. His friends immediately called an ambulance because the reaction was getting worse very fast. The paramedics arrived. They gave him oxygen and they took him to the hospital as quickly as possible. When Lucas enters the emergency room, the real action is happening. Doctor Reyes is giving instructions to the team. She's checking Lucas' airway and is trying to keep he- him calm. Nurse Michael is preparing an epinephrine injection, which is the most important treatment for anaphylaxis. Lucas is struggling to breathe. He is shaking and he is becoming weaker every second. The medical team is working quickly. Everyone is moving, is talking, and is trying to stabilize him. This scene shows the intensity and pressure of emergency medicine. The people machines, the fast decisions, and the teamwork create a dramatic and emotional moment. After several very tense minutes, Lucas finally responds to the epinephrine. His breathing improved, the swelling went down, and his heart rate stabilized. Doctor Reyes and Nurse Michael saved his life. At the end of the movie, Lucas thanks the emergency room staff and promises he will always carry his allergy medication from now on. The final sentence shows hope, gratitude, and the importance of quick medical attention. This is the plot of Critical Minutes. It is a dramatic and emotional emergency room movie that shows how small decisions can save a life. Thank you for watching my presentation.